Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can figure out if your Cash App is verified or not. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm on a support article for this. Reason being, I don't have Cash App in my region. That's how it is at the current moment. I don't have any way of accessing Cash App from my region at the current moment, and I'll need to use this to explain everything. However, the explanation is really simple. There really isn't anything much that you need to know. So let me show you guys exactly how that is done. And now, if you want to use certain functionalities, such as receiving or sending more than $1,000 per a 7-day period, if you want to receive or send more than $1,500 total, or if you want to order a cash card, buy Bitcoin or stocks, or sponsor somebody that's underage, you will need to verify your identity. And to see if your identity is verified on Cash App, you need to go into security and privacy through your profile icon in the top right, then go into identity verification, and if it is verified, it will say verified. However, if it's not, it will give you an option to verify, and if you want to verify, what you will need is your legal name, your date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. In certain cases, you might be asked for more information, such as your full social security number, a residential address you're currently at, a valid government issued photo ID, and or income verification or source of funds documents. And that is pretty much all you need to do to figure out if you're verified and how you can verify if you haven't yet. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.